Check out these fireworks. Somebody's lighting fireworks. Hey, it's April. It's not the 4th of July. I'm gonna see how much someone's gonna light it up. I just heard a police car. I'm wondering, man, was that it? Is that it? I'm wondering, what was the motivation for that? I'm wondering if there's going to be some more. I'm going to talk through. The fireworks just came out of nowhere. I want to know what y'all thought. It was only 20 seconds worth. It was 20 seconds worth of fireworks, but that was pretty much it. But yeah, well, let me know what did you enjoy the tad bit? And while you're at it, like, share, comment, and subscribe.